going to show you the actual results of AI generated strategies. And no, I did not use an LLM like ChatGPT or Claude in order to output the strategies. I did use it to help me code. I've been in crypto for a decade now and have over 1,143 hours of YouTube tutorials for you, because I believe the only way to control the AI in the future is knowing how to code. I promise, if you watch this short video, you'll see the actual results of my AI that makes trading strategies. In fact, it made over 1 million strategies. And I'm gonna show you everything. You can see the stats here. It was running for 15 hours. I didn't go to school for any of this and didn't learn how to code till I was 30. So of course you can do this too, dude. Everything is on YouTube. If you're interested in automating your trading, I've also got a free Notion that has the roadmap, resources, the Discord, everything here. So you have somewhere to start. Also, as I mentioned, 1,143 hours of YouTube content. But I have the whole roadmap here. This is 100% free. You can have it. You can have access to our Algo Traders Discord, frequently asked questions. Everything's here and it's ever growing. You have my full trading system here, a very nice book list here as well. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot here and it's always growing. I even put some bots, some code in here, dude. As you can see, this is a bunch of code and this will always grow, and it's accompanying today's video. So, if you do want to follow along, make sure to grab that. And now you have a place to start, and you can do this, dude, because you can learn anything. It's all on YouTube. And I'm so happy that you're here. Let's go ahead and lock in. Disclaimer, please pause the video and read it real quick though. I'm gonna go over the results of this new GE. It was running, you can see it down here, and it's done. And also Claude dropped computer use yesterday, so that's pretty cool as well. I'm running that, coming up with trading strategies, kind of the same end goal, right? So the end goal of this evolutionary algorithm is to output trading strategies. Computer use is an AI thing that Anthropic dropped, and it lets you work on a virtual private server. And something I've been working on since last November is essentially closing that loop of being able to debug code. And now it looks like it's able to debug code, which is cool. I apologize, but it seems our VM or environment might be having some issues. Let me try to summarize. Keep going. I'm just gonna say keep going. Keep going till you hit 1.5 sharp. And let's go ahead and see if she can whip it back up. Whippersnapper back into place here. Okay, it doesn't look like there's any error crash annotation. Maybe do I hit refresh? Let's try it. It's a little clunky, and I know we're going over the GE results, but this is a very big drop as well. So let me go ahead and now copy these GE results, and I'm just so grateful to be here, dude. I'm gonna keep an eye on this below. I know it's not on subject, but it's running again. So O1 preview, please go ahead. Above is my evolutionary algorithm using grammatical evolution in order to come up with trading strategies. Please walk me through step by step, line by line, these results above, and then tell me what you think of them. Not that I care. Just kidding. I obviously care. I love her. I love her. Okay, I'm glad I watched some videos on this yesterday, seeing some other people use this. I watched some YouTube videos, maybe you've seen them as well. But I felt like kind of a noob using this. It's just like such a generation backwards, but it's because I think it's on a VPS or something, or like a closed environment. Again, I'm not too technical, so chat's here. Roadmap resources is here. Moondev.com. Chats in the Discord. I do think it's going to get cheaper, and it sounds like there's something called Not Diamond, which could be kind of interesting to look into. So you can see here it is analysis of your evolutionary algorithm results. Let's walk through your results step by step, explaining each line and what it signifies. And what it signifies about your evolutionary algorithm performance in generating trading strategies using grammatical evolution. The fitness here, 0.00047. Oh, that's right. That's right. So this one here, and 1023, since yesterday's gram was based on drawdown. Oh, my bad, dude. I missed a question. Sorry. Drawdown. Since it was based on drawdown, well, the fitness we are looking for is actually going going to be negative. What happened over here, dude? Yeah, dude, I accept crypto, bro. If you get the lifetime. Lifetime. If you get the lifetime. I just can't do the monthly, unfortunately. Okay, so it looks like this restarted, unfortunately. So you can see, like, I'm gonna keep running it up here, but I don't know. It's just a start. It's just a start. You can tell it's just a start, but I like it. I'll run up my credits. So this grammar here is the fitness here is this. Fitness is negative 0.004. Sorry, it's positive. But that's good. I know the last two that I've looked at, we've been looking for negative ones. This is the trading strategy feeding phenotype generated by your algorithm. So Amazon lag 4. Give me that. Give me that, dude. I'm gonna do lifetime with extra courses, dude. It will take some time, but for sure I'll grab this opportunity, bro. Dude, I'm excited to see you inside the members area. We've got the members area, and you can see all that when you join the boot camp. You can see these are like the days. There's a lot of days, and they keep getting better. But I'm glad you're here. Here's the members chat right here. It's popping off right now, and I'm in the other chat, so I'll see you there soon. What do you think of this? What is it? Well, yeah, like give me some context, bruh. All right, so let's go ahead here, and these are the genomes here. Explanation. Moondev.com has the roadmap resources in chat. This is the genome, a list of codons that, when mapped through your grammar, produces the phenotype code above. It represents the genetic encoding of the trading strategy. Average fitness. Evolutionary algorithm statistics. Average fitness is 530. Average genome length is 261. Oh, that's your P&L curve? It looks nice, bro. Up and to the right. I like it. It's fire, dude. Are you a hand trader or what? I'm trying to automate it. Average tree depth here is 8.87. The average depth of the expression trees generated from the genomes A depth of around 9 levels indicates more moderate complexity in strategies. Average tree nodes is 69. Nice. The average number of nodes in the expression trees. This gives an idea of the size and complexity of these strategies. Average used codons, 45. The average number of codons here. Let's get this up so we can see it. Duh, dude. Come on, B. Oh boy. It's a tough task. Tough task. So gen 100, invalid 1700, max genome length, max tree depth, max tree nodes, max used codons, min genome length, min tree length. Time taken is 503. Total time is 53,000 seconds, which is approximately 15 hours. So I like to note that. 15 hours. Overall thoughts, the best fitness value, maximum drawdown of approximately 0.00478 is significantly lower than the average fitness. This indicates that your algorithm successfully found a trading strategy that minimizes drawdown effectively compared to the average individual. With unique ends being 982,000 out of the total million, your population maintains high diversity. This is beneficial as it reduces the risk of premature convergence and helps in exploring the search space more thoroughly. Computational resources. The total runtime of approximately 15 hours suggests that the computational demand is high. If resource constraints are an issue, you might consider optimizing your code. Yo, I'm using parallel processing, dog. The first one. Second is my normal distributions, fully algo. Oh, fire, bro. Are you trading crypto or yeah? What markets you in? Genome and tree complexity. The wide range in genome lengths and tree complexities from minimal to maximal values indicates that your algorithm is exploring strategies of varying complexities. However, very deep or large trees might lead to overfitting or unnecessarily complicated strategies, invalid individuals, and regenerations. A significant number of invalid 17,000 or 244,000 regens suggests that your genetic operators might be producing offspring that violate syntactic or semantic constraints frequently. You might want to refine your crossover and mutation operators or introduce stronger validity checks to reduce this number. Runtime stability. Having zero runtime errors is excellent, as it means that all evaluated strategies ran without crashing, which is crucial for the integrity of the evolutionary process. Unused search space. An unused search value of approximately 2.74 suggests that your algorithm explored about 97% of the potential search space it was designed to cover. This is a strong indication of thorough exploration. Nice, dude. Potential improvements. Fitness function. Since the fitness function is based solely on maximum drawdown, you might consider incorporating other performance metrics like return Sharpe ratio or a combination thereof to balance out the risk. Pruning complexity. To prevent overcomplicated strategies, you might introduce a parsimony, pressure, or complexity penalty in your fitness function. Reduce invalids. Improving the genetic operators to produce fewer invalid individuals can make the evolutionary process more efficient. Overall impression. Your evolutionary algorithm appears to be functioning well, effectively searching the space of possible trading strategies and finding a strategy with minimal drawdown. The detailed statistics indicate a robust implementation with attention to important aspects like diversity and computational efficiency. Your results demonstrate a successful application of grammatical evolution to generate trading strategies with low maximum drawdown by analyzing and possibly tweaking some aspects of your algorithm, like the handling of invalid individuals and complexity of strategies. This is great. This is great. How do I compare this to my other GE runs? The tricky thing is that the other GEs looked to have the smallest fitness score, meaning that negative 30K, negative 60,000 is better than negative 20,000. For the above one, we were using drawdown. So we were trying to get the smallest positive. Please try to compare the three GE runs to see which is best. Okay, so let's go ahead here and I'm gonna put in the other two. Fitness GE. Let's call above GE3. Here's GE2. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna do that, so we'll see. Um, yeah, it's gotta be very hard actually. I think it's near impossible, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't see how you would compare these, but GE3, 1. Okay, while she's thinking, I'll answer some of this. Yo, Exa, what's up, bro? I'm doing great, man. How are you? Hey, Moondev, this is my username I sent via email. Dope, bro. Dope, dope, dope. I'll get handled. I'll get handled. I don't do customer support. Comparing GE runs and different fitness functions, comparing evolutionary algorithm runs that use different fitness functions can be challenging, but it's essential to establish a common ground to evaluate which run produce the best trading strategy. Let's analyze your three GEs, GE1, 2, and 3, and see how we can improve them effectively. Understanding the fitness functions GE1 and GE2 fitness values. GE1 negative 36,000, GE2 negative 57,000. Interpretation. In these runs, the fitness function is such that more negative values are better. This suggests that the fitness function likely represents negative profit or negative cumulative returns. So a fitness of negative 60,000 would be better than negative 20,000, indicates a higher profit, assuming profit is calculated as a negative cost or loss. G3 0.004 interpretation. In this run, the fitness function represents maximum drawdown and smaller positive numbers are better. Challenges in direct comparison. It's impossible. I told you, dude. No, it's not impossible. Given that the fitness function differ between runs, a direct numerical comparison of fitness values is not meaningful. Dang. Dr. Moondev. The fitness values are on different scales and represent different performance. To compare the runs effectively, we need to consider common performance metrics that provide a holistic view of each strategy's effectiveness. Establishing common performance metrics, profit loss, Sharpe ratio, Sortino. This is good, dude. I'm gonna put this on my to-do. Run the top strategies from GE on a back test. Yo, how are you, Exa, bro? Um, the emails, our emails get checked a couple times a day, so um, you'll get in there, dog. Sorry for the wait. Sorry if you've been waiting a long time. I hope you haven't been waiting more than like 24 hours, dude. On the website, it says 24 to 72 hours, and I made it physically impossible for you to go through the first 2 days before you get your Discord. So I'll get you. I'll get you in there. I apologize for the delay. If you know how to make an AI that does it automatically, I'll do that. I'll do that maybe. Maybe. Okay, let's go ahead here and see. Based on the output from your backtest and saved results, we can analyze the strategy's performance. The strategy uses combination of using logical entry and exit conditions to improve this chart. We could. I want you to. I want you to. I want you to go to YouTube, find trading strategies, and then build them with backtesting.py until you find one with 1.5 Sharpe or better. Let's just see. I'm just pushing it to the limits, dude. If you could figure that out. Going to modify your YouTube to transcribe lectures and other videos, but if fed large enough data, can pull from the web and distill it down to its fundamentals. Okay. I see you. I don't fully understand that, but that's awesome. That's good. That's good. I don't fully understand. It means you're onto something. propose propose comparison approach. Extract best individuals. Obtain the best individuals. Okay. This is pretty cool. It's searching YouTube. Look at that. Search best trading strategy, high Sharpe. I see you, dude. Please don't click on that ad. 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 The yo, hey, just because like I gotta keep reminding you guys, everything happens here in the Discord, moondev.com. You get the roadmap of resources. I give you everything here in this roadmap of resources notion. It's crazy, dude. I give you so much. It's just to help out along with the channel. So I, I'm tapped, I'm locked in only with the homies. If you could make it to the Discord, okay. We can be friends. So you can see it's opening up this video. That's fire. Create a comparative table, analyze the results, hypothetical examples. So um, This is pretty fire though. It's going up in here. Okay. So how much has it spent? Who knows? Cost. Oh boy. It's running it up. $8 already. That's okay. I'm with it. I'm with it. I'm with it if you with it. I'm with it if you with it. Timers keep me on track. Thank you. The one thing I want to do here is I want to go to these results here and I'm going to rename these first off. So here's the readme and these are the results really. But I also want to have the this up in there. Okay. Good, good, good. Good job. Good job, boy. Keep going. Okay, so fitness here. All right, so I think this is solid for now. I'm just gonna go ahead and share that with the odd squad. Cause you know we gotta step on the gas. You know we gotta step on the gas, dude. Come on. Gotta get the odd squad going. And now I wanna run this part here. Actually, I gotta rename this first. So I'm gonna rename this to be the GE that we did. 1023. Really good week, dude. Really good week. We got 3 of these ran. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. It used to take 2 weeks. Now we got 3 done in 3 days. Would you say Anthropic's feature is cost efficient or would you regard it to be it's very expensive? It's very expensive, but if it can get something done, dude, I'm willing to spend, you know? It's a new regime. It's something new. I've been waiting for this day for a year. You know, we started working in November, last November on the AI assistants, and the problem there was that it couldn't debug. Now theoretically it can debug. We'll see. We'll see, dude. I mean, it has. It has. No, it already has. I've seen it. I've already seen it make a bunch of back tests. So that's fire. But is it worth it for somebody that like your last $15? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Maybe though. Maybe we'll see. I'll explore it. I'll explore it and let you know over time. But you can see I spent 15 on it yesterday and I spent 9 on it today while I'm working. That's pretty fire though. I have 3-5 working for me while I'm working on something else. That's nutty. Maybe you need to help them out sometimes or something. They're watching ads. Over here watching ads. Running up the ads on here. Okay, so I want to go ahead and get this. I want to run this here. So I have this little file. Top 500. Top strats. I'm going to go ahead and dupe it. Dupe it, dude. Don't pull it. Dupe it. Don't pull it. There you go. Okay. And now I got to run this here. Copy path. It's actually, yeah, it's this one. Perfect, dude. Life is perfect, bro. Can't believe this. Can't believe this game. Can't believe this life. I can't believe it, dude. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I will never believe it. Stop it, dog. We got AI now working in the bottom right. She tripping, but she tripping. It looks like she moving again. Rapid test. I don't know what she's doing, but she running up my credits. That's for sure. That's for sure. So let's run this. This is gonna get the top strats and organize them to these top strats, and then let's go look at them. So price data, coin value, minus that. Okay. See what the fitness is. Triple exponential. Okay. So is it going through YouTube and searching and breaking down videos for you? I mean, doesn't look like it's making it very far, to be real with you. But yeah, that's the idea. That's the idea. Keep going. I wonder if that works. She knows what the thing is. I don't have any context. Please go to YouTube and search trading strategies. Then download. Write a backtest using backtesting.py and save the code and results to a strategies folder. Keep going until you find a strategy with 1.5 plus sharp. Use 10 years of Apple daily data from Yahoo Finance and use Python 3.1 to code. Okay. Let's see. Let's give it another try. I'm going to keep burning cash here. This is reminding me a lot of Auto GPT burning cash. That's somewhere around what would you pay your person to do something but far more efficiently? So off my speculations, if just occasionally try to get Loki need an ad blocker, Loki need a AI to rewrite what you said, bro. Think about it. Fire in the chat. Fire in the chat. I can't read your mumbo jumbo, bro. That's somewhere around what you would pay your person to do something, but far more efficiently. So, off my speculation, if you just occasionally try to guide me, it may become more efficient. Yeah, you thinking your thoughts, bro. You thinking your thoughts in the chat. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what you're saying, but much love, much love, much love. I ain't with it. I'm not up to speed. I'm not up to speed, but 777, dude. So this got all of the top strats. Yeah, delete that. Delete that trash of the chat, bro. Delete that trash. I'm just kidding, dude. I'm just kidding. That's just a hard. That was a hard one to read. That was a hard read. Just messing with you, bro. Um, my brain is fried. Been up for 42 hours. Yeah, go to bed, dog. It's time to go to bed. I don't know why you'd ever stay up for 42 hours. That is insane. Insane. Insane, dude. Come on, go to sleep. Okay, so the GE essentially from here, I want to run this. He said he good. He's fried. 42, ain't 42 hours of sleep, bro, or no sleep. Probably 42 hours of sleep too. Ain't no that's cap. That's a big cap in the chat. Ain't nobody good on 42 hours. Either you ain't been up for 42 or you're not good. There, dog. Only options. Um, that sounds good. Look at my GE to see how it's doing. It's fine. I need to come up with more strategies. Not strategies, indicators. Just need to be helpful how I can. Just let me know how I can be helpful. That's it. 1023 here. This is I need to run this. I'm gonna run this again. Below are a bunch of indies. It may be interesting. I'm going to run this ML algo for the rest of the week because now my computer resources is empty. He said, or good uppers. Caffeine has my back. No way. You're good. Nah, I be tweaking too, dude. Kidding me? You kidding me? 42 hours? Either he ain't been up for 42 hours or he ain't good. That's it. That's good. That's it. I'm gonna run this ML algo. Okay, so which one is that? It's over here, dude. And because cause my biggest thing here, yeah. The reason, because I need new unique features, really. Also, to do backtest some of the top strats from these 3 runs. I have them in their folders. I will never say respective folders. What do you mean respective folders? Get up out of here with that weird ass English, dude. Ain't nobody understand respectively. What you mean? 2 and 3 respectively. What you talking about? What does that even mean? I don't even get that, dude. That is way too smart for me. In their respective folders. Get up out of here, dude. What is that? You know what that means? I don't. Don't get it. Don't get why would you just add some words on the end? Fancy pants. That's all it is, dude. That's all it is. It's just fancy pants. The people be fancy again. Fancy with the English. Stop being so fancy, dude. Get it done. Get it done. Step on the gas. Okay, so this is beautiful. Life is beautiful, actually. Results here. I'm just grabbing this file here, copying the link here, put it in Notion. Just trying to be better this year. So I'm trying to be better in 2025, you know? Trying to be better in 2025 at organization. So I'm just using a little more organization skills here in the last quarter going into 2025 so I can hit 2025 running, dude. No, I'm not waiting until Jan 1. Stop it. The actual results of a Solana on chain. I'm not waiting. No way. I'm not gonna wait. I'm not gonna wait for the. I'm not gonna wait for that, dude. Sorry. I'm not gonna wait for Jan 1. I'm gonna get started now. I got some things I need to change in my life too, dude. So I get going now. I gotta be a little bit more organized. Look at my screen, dude. Look at my screen. Moondev.com. Roadmap and resources. I really like this Notion thing, but I've been very intrigued by that other note, Obsidian. Yeah, Obsidian. People say that a lot in the chat. So fire to the chat. Honestly, the chat is a wealth of knowledge. The chat is a wealth of knowledge. I love the chat. And I feel like this answered it, bro. This answered it by putting the chat here on the roadmap and the resources. Because there's gonna be a lot of like passerbyers that get liquidated in the day and then they're like all sad and stuff and they post stuff in YouTube. Like, okay, who are you? You know? So I think it's pretty fire to have the chat here now. It's only gonna be fire. It's only gonna be fire. See what's going on here. File already exists. Okay. Keep it going then. Keep it going. Okay. Looks like it got some strategy done here. Nice, dude. Ooh, position size sketch. So the next thing I need to do today, just bringing you along again. I'm just bringing you along for the day, as always. And I just want to finish this thought here because I need unique features. So run this ML for the rest of the day and till tomorrow, really. Okay. And then this should go ahead and output all of these. Let's see what it does. I think it's oh yeah, feature importance and then 10, 12. Okay, so perfect. So this is the feature importance for the new one. But let's just go ahead and run it because we got 77 there. So here's the machine learning algorithm. It's looping through 5 different machine learning algorithms actually. So that's gonna run all day and that's gonna maybe crash my computer, but you know, we'll see. No, it's not gonna crash it. It's not gonna crash it, but it's gonna use a lot of resources. You can see it's training the random forest regressor here. Linear regression, random forest, XGB regressor, SVR, MLP regressor. Let's see here. Dopamine receptors getting fried. Caffeine has my back. Yes, but it's fine. It is until it isn't. Respect your body's need for sleep. It's probably the biggest thing you can do for your health. I absolutely agree with that, dude. I think sleep will you eat and exercise. Exercise. Yeah, that's it. My trippy kid is 8 hours plus a workout and don't eat any processed foods. I mean, or try not to. Limit it. I know it's impossible in our world, or at least where I'm from. Hey, dude, Jimmy, you think coffee's bad though, or is it just bad to do it to drink coffee? To push yourself. I'll be drinking coffee, but anything I drink or do a lot, I kind of think about. It's like, oh, is this actually okay for you? I am trying 48 up, 12 sleep. Bad idea. Bad idea. Exa. Already got to. You'll see. Pivot to stocks. He said, get no sleep. Respect Monday through Friday. Don't. Oh man, yeah. If you got that problem of over trading, dude. Well, you said you're algo trader though. I be getting sleep, dude. I be getting sleep. I be getting sleep. 8 hours plus. Turn this down before your eardrums die. So moondev.com. That's where the roadmap and the resources are. It's free. And this here is my sniper, which I'm about to jump into. So you can see this machine learning algorithm. The reason I'm running this is to find new feature importance indicators that might work in the GE. The GE is done. I ran 3 GEs this week and a million strategies each. That's 3 million. It's crazy, dude. Here and say 1024 because yesterday was 1024, 23. And if I do this every day forever, I think the persistence will pay off big time. So since yesterday's gram was based on drawdown, the fitness we are looking at is actually going to be negative. Okay. Figure out goal from today. Goal from today. Have one new GE running with customizations I made. Okay. So master prompt. Okay, good. This is good. Did I have this master prompt here because I'm gonna be using it. 5 files in this GE. I feel like there's more. Maybe not though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, the grammars. I need to get the grammars up in there. Okay, so I'm gonna put this at the bottom here. Actual prompt with the code, because then I can just send it on my code. Oh, that's also what I wanted to try to do is this. Let's see what's up with this shorty here at etc grammar. Okay, so yeah, that's fine, at initialize initial, how you spell initial, bro? This game hard, bro, but we just got to keep going. Initialize run, that's a tough one to spell when they use the S instead of the Z. I don't know who speaks like that, but it's not me, I'm sorry. Evaluation. Okay, so what I want to see here is, okay, let's get all of them in there. Yeah, evaluation.py, because then, yeah, this is it, dude. I'll run it up. Max fitness number. Okay, parameters. Parameters.py. Okay, please let me do this. Search loop. Please let me do this, dude. Game over. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya. Well, I actually would want to be you because I know you're stepping on the gas too. That's a big win right there. That's a big win. You see what I did right there? Now I can work with all my files. I know I can do that, but this is too thick. It's too thick. This is too thick. There's too much here. So now I can work with all my files. Okay, now I first head and huge win here. This our files, our top files that need Okay. And and that's fine. Notes here today. I just want to just want. Hey, just you know, dude, stop it. Stop it. You already know what dedication does, dog. Focus. Commit to something. Just stay after it. Be persistent. You know. You know how it is. Yeah, I'm preaching to the choir. I'm preaching to the choir. Stop it. Goal from today: have one new GE running with customizations. Okay. I want to go ahead and back test some of the strategies because then we can actually build something. Essentially, I've been focused on getting it to output 1,000,000 strategies. I haven't even looked at the other stuff yet. But that shift right there, that save that used to take 2 weeks and now it takes 15 hours, that's huge. That's a huge win. That's a huge win. So update, okay. Just looking at my notes down here. Maybe like the top 10-ish. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, dude. What else we got? What else we got for Wall Street today? What else we got, dude? I want to look into how to get the most out of a mathematician. Like, is that even needed anymore? Is that even needed anymore? I don't know. I can't even spell physicist, but that was my attempt at it. It's embarrassing. I know I'm embarrassing, dude, but I'm gonna keep moving forward. Oh God. I want to definitely tweak the pop sub mute rate generate if it outputs different. I ask AI which um which things tweak test. Yeah. Okay. Um I wish I could evaluate the differences between those two, but I can't because one, no, I can't. I just gotta think of a different way, dude. Fearless. Focus. Keep going. Wall Street gonna say you can't. I think we can now. Yo, Yazzer, dude. That's a great question. Check out moondev.com. I got a roadmap for you, a book list. I feel like this is the exact that's the exact question that mapping resources solves. That's amazing. Big win. Big win. So I just try to put everything here on the roadmap and resources because I know you're resourceful enough. You just need some. I'll show you what I've researched. You know, that's it. I'll show you what I've researched and been here for 3.5 years. Definitely not the best in the world, but I'm gonna keep going every day. So if you're committed to trading, stop. Please stop trading by hand. I feel like this is the only way, but I'm not here to give advice. I want to go ahead and ask AI. Here you go. Here's all of my files. And ideally, okay, I got him down here. Perfect, perfect. I got him off screen. You can't see him, but that's fine. So let's go to the actual code here. Maybe just go to Pony G2. And then here, I can say that. Big win, dude. Big win. I'm going to copy this. It's way better than copying some code. This is my above are my files to my GE grammatical evolution program that outputs 1 million. Let's go ahead and get GE results here. Algorithm. Oh boy, I have to look through all of these, huh? Utilities. Oh, right up here. Okay, so G results here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of this and say, hey, here, there's a sample. There is a sample of them below. Please go ahead. Yeah, let's do that first. Please go ahead and use backtesting.py in order to. No, I should ask this first. Sorry. What are things I should tweak in the GE to improve the results? The idea okay, and then I'm gonna go here and see if I can get some stats. No, it has the stats on there, dude. Fitness shows here. 999 though. A lot of 999s. Oh, that's not good for this one. Wait. Go to GE results here. Oh, I'm sorry. These are the wrong ones. Yeah, these are the right ones. Because the other ones I hadn't cleaned yet. It's like, what? 999. This sketch. Dang, dude. I'm locked up, bro. I'm locked up. I can't control it. Okay, I can control this. All right, we're gonna do one of these then. You go, son. Peace. If you're not with it, I'm not with it either, dude. We just keep going. Just keep going. Don't let the Billionaire Boys Club slow you down, dude. Please. Just keep going. You can do anything. Because I can do anything. And now we have AI. Oh, God. Now we got AI. It's crazy. It's crazy stuff, dude. So let's go ahead and get this 500 unique here. Wow, that was a noob move, but I'm here for it. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, so let's go to golf GA. Let's go ahead and say backtest GAs. Backtest. No. We'll do that later. We'll do that later. Backtest GEs dot py. We're gonna do that in a bit. Don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Okay, Pony G. Okay, let's go. Let's get it. Okay, come on, step on the gas. 3.5. We got 3.5 to improve the results of your grammatical evolution programming tweaks and optimizations. The fitness function ensure that your fitness function accurately reflects the performance you want to optimize. Consider incorporating additional metrics or constraints that align with your goals. If possible, use domain-specific knowledge to refine the fitness evaluation. Okay, see, this is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. So things to tweak. Damn, that scared me, dog. Who the F was that? Who was that just jumped into my ear, dude? I don't know. That was me. It was actually me. It scared me. Got me shook. So, I mean, we're here though. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep moving forward. Keep going. Stay focused. All right. So this is amazing because now I have a list of ideas. Ideas to tweak. Okay, we want to go ahead and the fitness fitness function. What are we? There's so many things we can optimize for. There are so many things we can optimize for. Okay, and then population size and generation. Pop size and gens. I am curious how this changes things. I got a few more hours till I wake up. You know? Maybe what if I ask for 1.5 million strats? I mean, is that wrong of me? I don't know. I don't think so. Selection and replacement strategies. Try different selection methods like tournament roulette wheel and replacement strategies to maintain diversity and avoid premature convergence. Okay. Test tourney. Ideas to test, dude. Ideas to tweak on for a bit. Come on. Stay optimistic, bro. Crossover and mutation rates. Definitely. Crossover and mutation. Grammar complexity. Grammar complexity here. Grammar complexity. Multi-core processing, parameter tuning, logging and debugging. Okay, this is a good start. So the fitness function, there are so many things we can optimize for. I mean, let's do the bunnies first. How about that? How about that? Let's do the bunnies first. Yeah. Come on. Stop it. Don't play me. We have to do the lowest hanging fruit first. Okay, so here's my GE. And I think what I'm gonna do here is, so this was the latest one, and this was the one prior, which was the best. So I'm gonna actually rerun this, but maybe increase the size. Yeah, I could get that going now too. And if I get that going now, that's beautiful because then tomorrow, by tomorrow morning or whatever, we'll have it. So it's gonna be an easy test. So I'm gonna go here and bots to run from today. Okay. Let's get this right here. Copy, paste it in there. And then population size, let's ramp that up. If it took 15 hours, add some hours. Let's try 13 first. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that for sure. So let's put a $sign here in the premise behind this one. I can see it. I can see it. I can see the premise. Cool. Okay, sick. Um, now I want to go ahead and see what else we can do here. So goal from today is to get one new GE running with customizations. I want to backtest the strategies, absolutely. That's like my biggest thing. I don't expect anything to be great, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. I'm just happy we got to 1 million, dude. How to get the most out of mathematician? Absolutely. Tweak pop size, mutation rate, generations. So I'm done with this. I'm not done, but I want to go ahead and ask the fitness function. There are so many things we can optimize for. Pop size and generations. This is what I'm about to do. And I should sooner than later. So I'm going to do that. And, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen, but if I'm going to run this, I better get it going. So let's make sure it's right. 13,000 for 100 generations. So population, so increasing by increasing by increasing by 3,000 population size. Is that evolution thing still running? How many percentages now? I just started it right here. So it takes about 16 hours. So I'm on to a new one. On to a new one. Just so we have data to compare and contrast to. Okay, so I feel like I'm done with that. We figured out what to do new today. For tomorrow, test, tournament, or roulette. Yo, so what I want you to do here is, come on, come with me, dude. No, not like that though. Okay, it's all good. We're just gonna go ahead and rewrite it because I type hella fast. I type hella fast because I tried. I'm actually not that fast as a typer, but compared to what I used to be, it's crazy, dude. I wanted to become a coder because I was a trader, dude. Going up and down, no way. I'm way too ambitious to be a trader, dude. Traders got to be able to chill out, not try to force their way through things. Shit, I got a goal, I'm getting it. I'm going after it, but that doesn't work with trading, dude. In order to be a coder, I had to watch hella videos and type out every single line of code. Dude, if you can't type, you can't play. Step one, learn to type. Step two, learn to code. Let's go. Please show me the files that where where I will update the, I know where the fitness function is. The fitness function test. I want to. I already know where the fitness is. The tournament size. I don't know where that is. Tournament size. Selection method. Selection type. And the cross over and mutation. A new law must take same amount of clicks to cancel as subscribe. Yo, that's actually fire. I love that. That's a good law. Who's putting that in? They should count the clicks. There's the solution, dude. I don't know if they've been searching it for a while, but that's a good solution. Clicks, count the clicks. If you subscribe to something, you should be able to unsubscribe just as easy. That's fire. Good for that country. Oh, stop click to cancel. What? Wait. Guess who's suing the FTC to stop click to cancel? That's a good law, though. So, to update the tournament selection type, crossover, and mutation settings, you will need to modify your parameters.py. Perfect. That's all I wanted to see, dude. Because now I can test and tweak, dude. It was the matter of getting here, getting to this place where we can put out a million strategies a day. I don't care if they're trash, because I know if we stay focused, stay curious, and stay fearless, there's no chance that 1 year from now. Yeah, I love this game, dude. I love this game. To change the tournament selection type, I'll just put it right here. Very, very grateful. Very, very grateful. Crossover. To update the crossover, modify this. It's all in there. All in the parameters. Duh. Wow. Duh, it's all in the parameters. You're just a noob, Moon. That's what parameters are for. That's literally what they're for. You're just a noob sometimes, and it's okay. I still rock with you, Moon. It's okay. It's okay, dude. Keep stepping on the gas. You're gonna figure it out along the way. Okay. You know what, dude? These file structures still intimidate me. Like, oh man, I get shaky looking over here. That's okay though. It's okay to not be the best. I don't need to be the best. No way. I gotta be the most persistent. I gotta be the most focused. And then where in my code do I swap the grammar file? Grammar call. There we go. That's the word. It's us versus Wall Street, boys. Let's go. To swap the grammar file used in your, okay, file is here. Parameters as well. Okay, cool. Of course it's in the parameters, dude. Yo, you just had that whole freaking moment there. And it's in the parameters as well. It's all in the parameters. It's always going to be in the parameters. That's how you build things so other people can use it. Duh, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's really insane. I love this game though. I do. I do love this. So essentially everything's in the params. Now where are the params? It's in the algorithm. Well, like perfect sense. Okay, let's type in mutate duplicates. So all of these things here, are these all the params? These, correct me if I'm wrong, please, 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 please. Please correct me if I'm wrong. But this is where be at for a while. Correct me if I'm wrong, but all the testing and tweaking will happen from these params apart from the grammar creation, which I know is the main part. Is the main part. It's the main thing, dude. It's the main thing. That's the main thing. So it's not all gonna be done in there. It's gonna be done in the grammar. What's your country grammar looking like? That's it. Yes, you're correct. The params dictionary is the parameters.py file where you configure most of the settings of your genetic algorithm, including evolutionary parameters, selection, crossover, mutation, and more. This is where you will do most of your testing and tweaking to optimize the performance algorithm. Key areas for and generation. So beautiful. Population size, generation, selection. Wait, dude. No way. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. Does this mean this is how I usually call? This is how I usually start this GE. Does this mean I can change params from the terminal call? Can you give me for examples testing, mutation, selection, and something else? Dude, this is insane. I'm getting it now. I'm understanding the world. Yes, you can change the parameters from the terminal call by passing them as a command line argument. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. This allows you to override the default settings specified in the parameters py file. Okay, okay. Here are 4 examples. Okay. Let's just go ahead and run it up, dude. Let's keep running it up every day. Yes, we learn new things every day. I don't know how long you've known that, but I have not known that ever. So here we go. Example 1, change mutation operator and probability. Okay, okay. I see you, big dog. Let's see if this works, though. See if it works before I hype you up too much. Yeah, that's my bad, though. Let's go ahead and get up in there. Copy path. I don't want to get out of this, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and say conda activate tflow and then cd into this src, I believe, copy path. Okay. Snap, that ain't gonna work. CD. Okay. And then let's go ahead and copy whatever she just sent. But without the thing, you know what I'm talking about. The dollar sign. The dollar sign. Copy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need 20 more, dude. I'm sorry. I have to, dude. I gotta slow down. No way. No way, dude. No way. So mutation probability. Let's also go look at this. Mutation probability set to none. Okay. Set mutation probability. None defaults to 1 over the length of the genome for each codon. Sheesh, dude. Sheesh. Sheesh. Do you set the arguments manually every time? I don't even know what that means. I think the arguments are these the parameters. They're like set. And then if you want to change them, you can change them. I barely know what that means though. I barely understand that sentence. Okay, fire, dude. Fire. Amazing. Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Are you asking if I personally do it? I've only been running this for like 3 days, so. Okay, this one here. Dude, this is fire. I learned you can pass in the args, I guess it's called. Args in the terminal to override parameters dot py. Yeah, that's it. So here's copy. You can see probability, mutation probability. Okay. This one here, change the method to roulette. Okay, so you can see it changes it to roulette. Okay, we got tests. We got tests to run. We got tests to run. We got tests to run, dude. Moondev.com, get caught up to speed, bro. It's free. Okay, this is running. Okay, they're gonna tell you you can't, dude. I promise you. Wall Street, they said I cannot do this. That you can't either, dude. Stop it. There's nothing like that in the world. There's literally nothing. Show me something I can't do, please. If I'm interested, I'll go do it. If I'm not, I'm not gonna do. I ain't doing nothing. I'm doing nothing. I'm only doing things that I'm interested in. So, yeah, you know that. So this is enable caching. So let's go ahead and say change selection to roulette wheel. This is a roulette wheel selection. Dude, this is so far. This is so far. Because I have no information. I need information. I need information. I need to run a bunch of these. That's it. That's it. I need like 7 of these, 5 of them. I know I got 2 that have ran already. We're gonna go back test them soon. And but yeah, we just gotta keep iterating. But I need the data. I need the data first. Because you know I'm a data dog. So we're gonna keep going. This is changing the change mutation operator and probability. Mutation. Nice, dude. And then this one here is enable caching and set tournament size. Enable caching and set tourney size. Okay. So this example enables caching. Okay, change crossover operator and disable multi-core. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Give me your based on now on all you know, send me back the top 5 terminal calls to make the best tests. Use your brilliance as a quant in order to come up with the to increase the fitness of that above call. We're already using our better GE. Yep. To that call, and I will. They take 24 hours because we're doing 1.3 now hours to run. So I will run 1 per day. So make sure these are your absolute best ideas in order to increase, to make them more, to better idea in order to create GEs create better fitness scores. Okay. Based on all you know. Okay. Use your billions to. Okay. Let's go ahead and best ideas in order to create the best fitness scores. Simply send me back a one-liner about each one of the terminal calls and why you think it's the best idea to test this the variable we are testing, as this will be using all my CPU resources. Don't drop the ball. Much love. Thank you. Much love. Thank you. Always. Always, bro. Certainly, here are 5 terminal calls designed to test different aspects of your GA, each with a brief explanation of why it might improve fitness. Increase population size and generations. I'm the PhD around here, already done did it. Increasing the population size and number of generations allows for more thorough exploration of the search space, potentially leading to better solutions. Experiment with higher mutation rates. So from what I remember, there was some sort of stat that said only 3% of the search space was unexplored. I can't remember if that's actually a thing with GEs from Pony, but if it is, would that mean that an increase of pop size of more than like 3% not do anything? I just walk me through. I'm new here. I'm new here. Thank you for kindly walking me through this. Okay, let's go look at these other ones that she went up here. We already got that one. So experiment with a higher mutation rate. Okay. See what she's using here. 0.02. Okay. So she's using a 0.02. Let's just go ahead and copy that then. Nice. There we go. Big win. Okay. Increasing the mutation rate probability can introduce more diversity into the population, helping to escape local optima and explore new areas of the search space. Nice. Use elitism to preserve best individuals. Okay. See, we got some fire coming. Some fire. And maybe it's not fire to like the smartest in the world at this, but to me, I need data, dude, because I'm a data dog. Elitism. Okay, there we go. Dang, I wish I could run more of these. I can. I just spend. I just can spend. But I want to make sure that's efficient spend. Test with different crossover operator. Copy. Cross over change. Beautiful, dude. I'm just gonna run these for the next 3 days. I'm not even doing anything. I'm not even gonna do anything. I just want to learn. Like, I've learned, I've read all these papers, I've played around with it on my own. Then we went to Pony G too, and things changed. So it's, I need to learn. I need to learn this stuff. And this is amazing, dude, because, you know, I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying now. I'm flying. I'm flying, dude. You can fly. You can fly too. We can fly. We can meet in the sky, dude. I'm flying. Switching to multi-objective. So optimize for multi-objective fitness. Okay. Switching to multi-objective selection methods like NSGA2 can help balance multiple fitness criteria, potentially leading to more robust strategies. Nice, dude. I like it. I like it. Multi-objective fitness. So switching to multi-objective selection method like NSGA. So let's see how it does that. Oh, here you go. NSGA. Perfect. It's a new test. It's a new test. We're going to have 5 days of tests here. We're going to run it up every single day. We're going to keep running through walls every day. I can't believe we're here. Switching to multi-objective selection method. So these configurations are designed to explore different aspects of the genetic algorithm search capabilities with the goal of improving the overall fitness of the solutions. In genetic algorithms, the concept of explored search space refers to the portion of the potential solution space that has been evaluated by the algorithm. If a statistic indicates that only 3% of the search space is unexplored, it suggests that the algorithm has already evaluated 97% of the possible solutions. Implications for population size, diminishing returns. If a large portion of the search space has already been explored, increasing the population significantly may yield diminishing returns. This is because the algorithm might start evaluating similar or redundant solutions, especially if the search space is already well covered. Focus on diversity. Instead of merely increasing the population size, it might be more beneficial to focus on maintaining and increasing diversity within. It can be done through higher mutation rates, diverse initial populations, or alternative selection. How would you alter the initial population? The initial population when you say this. Targeted exploration. If the search space, so consider strategies that specifically target unexplored areas of the search space. Techniques like adaptive mutation rates and niching methods can help focus the search on less explored regions. Efficiency. If the search space is largely explored, it might be more efficient to focus computational resources on refining this through a better fitness functions or more sophisticated operators rather than simply increasing the population size. Dude, thank you. Fire, dude, fire, fire, fire. I'm gonna move on then. I'm not gonna do that one. No way. I'm gonna move on because I don't. I two chickens with one egg, you know? All right, so something to look into for your additional hyperparameter tuning, slight different from GE would be Bayesian optimization. Though this depends on what exactly you are looking for in your fitness. If explored, it would run into or run in parallel with that GE that trying to combine it. I gotta read that again. Sorry. Something to look into for your additional hyperparameter tuning. Slight difference from GE would be Bayesian optimization. Though this depends on what exactly you are looking for in your fitness, if explored, it would run in parallel with the GE that trying to combine it. I don't get it. I don't get it, but that's good. That's why I'm looking into it. Someone just said this. Someone in the chat just said this. So please explain it to me. It could be alpha B. Thank you. I appreciate you sharing that. How do you think it fits? in to what we're doing, to what we are doing. Okay, perfect. So we got the new GE with this running and started to run from 1 p.m. So let's think this through here. 12 hours, okay. 1 a.m. So I don't know if it'll be done by tomorrow. I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna do like 11,000. Yeah, a little bit more, but I'm getting it started pretty late. So I want it to be done by tomorrow. So I'm giving it a little bit more, but I'm also mutating things more. So I'm mutating, so there should be more better. More better. There should be more better, dude. Hey, I appreciate the fire in the chat, dude. I appreciate the fire in the chat, dude. Thank you. So how would you alter the initial population when you say diverse initial populations? Creating a diverse initial is crucial for ensuring that the genetic algorithm explores a wide range of potential solutions from the start. Here are some strategies to achieve diversity in the initial population. Random initialization. Ensure that initial population is generated randomly across the entire search space. This can be done by using a wide range of values for each parameter or feature in the individuals. Use a different initialization method. Combine different initialization methods such as ramped, half and half, grow, and full methods to create a mix of individuals with varying structures and complexities. Seeding with known good solutions. Include a few known good solutions or heuristically generated individuals in the individual population to provide a baseline. I like this. In the terms of trading, how would I go about what you said above? How would I fit this into the grammar? Or would it be elsewhere? Okay, let's keep going, dude. I can go down this forever and just keep learning, dude. Just learn, keep moving forward, piece by piece. So what else is here? Diverse grammar rules. If using grammatical evolution, ensure that the grammar allows for a wide variety of expressions and solutions. This can be achieved by including multiple production rules and options in the grammar. Okay, let's look into this Bayesian thing here. Bayesian optimization is a powerful technique for hyperparameter tuning. Nice, dude. Fire. Especially when dealing with expensive to evaluate functions like those often found in machine learning and genetic algorithms. Here's how it works and how it might fit into your genetic algorithm. What is Bayesian probabilistic model? Bayesian optimism probabilistic, typically a Gaussian process to model the unknown function you want to optimize. This distributable function, the observed data acquisition function. It use it, dude. Come on? You're gonna fly through this 20 more. Me too, dude. Me too. That was 2 minutes. That was 2 minutes. Stop it. That was 2 minutes. It uses an acquisition function to decide where to sample next. The acquisition function balances exploration, trying new areas, and exploitation, refining known good areas. Iterative process. The process is iterative, updating the model with new data points and refining the search for the optimal solution. how it fits into genetic algorithms, hyperparameter tuning. You can use Bayesian optimization to tune the hyperparameters of your genetic algorithms, such as population size, mutation rate, crossover rate, and selection method. This can help the best configuration for your specific problem. Fitness function optimization. If your fitness function is complex or computationally expensive, Bayesian optimization can help find the optimal parameters that maximize or minimize the fitness score. Parallel execution. Bayesian optimization can run in parallel with your genetic algorithm while the GE explores the solution space. Bayesian optimization can refine the hyperparameters, potentially leading to better performance. That's fire. I didn't know that. I mean, I didn't know any of this, so thank you, dude. Appreciate you. Everybody appreciates you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, come on. Let's keep going. That's a vibe right there, dude. That's a vibe. Where do I put this? To run ideas. Combining Bayesian optimization with GE allows you to leverage the strengths of both methods. GE is good at exploring large, complex search spaces, while Bayesian optimization is efficient at finding optimal hyperparameters. Implementation steps. This is gas, dude. This is gas. Send that boy to the gas station. Nah, send that boy to the moon. Thank you, bro. Implementation steps. Define the search space, specify the range and type of hyperparameters you want to optimize. Choose a surrogate model. Typically, a Gaussian process is used, but other models like random forest can be applied. Select an acquisition function. Common choices include expected improvement, iterate, run the Bayesian optimization process alongside your GE, updating the surrogate model with new data points and refining the hyperparameters. Evaluate. Use the optimized hyperparameters in your GE to see if they lead to improved fitness scores. By integrating Bayesian optimization into your workflow, you can potentially enhance the performance of your genetic algorithm by finding more effective hyperparameters. Dude, this is fire. Let's go ahead here and say to find best parameters. This is lit. This is lit. Professor Alpha over there. Omega. Alpha. Alpha Omega. Oh, fire, dude. Appreciate you, dog. It's a big win for the chat. That's a big win for you. Big win for me. Thank you. Thank you, dude. Let's keep it moving. Keep it moving. I feel like this is something I'm gonna definitely look into. See what's going on here. Oh, send in lick data. That would be dope. Okay. To integrate Bayesian optimization into your trading strategy, you would typically focus on. That's not actually what I was asking, but I want to pivot here to yeah. I got some more. I get this. I want to now that we have this one running here, and it is for tomorrow and the next day and the next day. It's up on Lambda, but I'm not a big baller like that. I'm just in the game. Cyber. Let's go. Change mutation. GE started at 1 p.m. Perfect. Okay. Hopefully done by. Yeah. Okay. We got that. This will be 10:25. But I might think of something new. So these below are ready to launch. Okay. Perfect. 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 Okay. So now I want to go ahead and see how I could in this. And we'll have to go to the results folder here. One G results to get the top whatever. And this should actually not be too hard. So copy. Okay, copy. Yep. Lock it. Lock it. Lock it. Come on. So I'm gonna go down, and it's gonna say backtest GEs. Okay, lock in. Dude. Here we go. Let's paste that in, dude. And then let's go ahead and also I guess I don't. Is my GE that outputted a million strategies. I then sorted to grab the best fitness ones. Now I want to back test the best fitness. Best fitness. I think I already put it in here, but I'll put it in again because why not? Well, because you're gonna run out of credits. Token limit space, dude. You gotta be cognizant. Cognizant. What the F is cognizant? I then sorted to grab the fitness ones. Now I want to backtest them. Which are attached. Output .py that backtests these. Here is the data source. Here is the data path. Here's the data path. Where's you at? Where are you? Where, sir? Hello? Where'd I put the data, dude? Data sets, maybe? That would be smart. Dude. Wow, what a time. Here's the path. Uh-oh, don't play me again now. Here's the path. Okay. Attached is an example backtest you can use, but don't use the optimizer part. Okay, so the roadmap and resources here, dude. I got a backtest on here. I just don't know where it is because there's so much, bro. There's so much on here. Alpha generation strategies, not there. AI prompts, not there. Free PDFs, not there. My RBI system, so the research backtest and then implement. So backtest first. Copy. I'm gonna copy this code here, paste it in there. It's the roadmap resources. Got everything you need to get your feet soaking wet. To get your feet soaking wet in this industry. To get them soaking wet. You pretty much can't breathe. I'm trying to put it all out here for free, dude. It's all free. I know I got to join it, dude. Oh, look at this. So it finally got through. Nice, dude. It finally got through, or maybe it quit. It either got through or it quit. Let's see if it got through. Let's go ahead and apply this. Here's the backtesting.p script. Perfect, perfect. Pony G2E strategies path. What is this, dude? Ain't no way. Let's see. Let's see it. Let's see it though. Let's see it. This is interesting. Okay. I'm with it. I'm with it. If you with it, I'm in it. I'm with it. I'm with it. All right, let's get it. This isn't gonna work though. I don't understand. It's going ahead and saying eval if the buy signal of the eval of the strategies path, but dude, top 500 strategies. That's that. It is. It is that. But for index, okay, print stats. Let's just run it then. I gave you an example, dude. I gave you an example. I'm gonna give you the example again just in case. Let's go ahead and copy this here. The example. She has that already though. She already has that. I'm very interested if she can pull this off. Not how I do it at all. Not at all. Pip show. What you talking about? New terminal. Certain on that one, big guy. Zach. Zach is the guy. There's my pip show, dude. The backtesting library installed correctly, so it's a naming conflict. Okay. Rename the local files. Okay. Yeah, that's all good. Where you want me to run these from, I guess. I'm gonna reject that. Actually, no, I'm gonna accept it first. See if we can get that going. Yeah. Where would the file structure here? I should run it in here. I You see my file path. That's the crazy thing. From backtesting, import backtesting strategy. That should be fine, dude. It should be fine. Look at some of the backtests here in the bootcamp. Quant code. That Python is trying from a local direct or file named backtesting. Did I call something backtesting? Maybe. Sometimes I'll do that. Mm, we probably have a file called backtesting. A folder called backtesting. Let me go ahead and actually pivot this to I've got this instead. Let me just read through this. Mm. Okay, so let's go ahead here. The issue might be that the Python is trying to import from a local directory. Let's just go ahead and do this then. Copy. GitHub. New window. New window for sure. Start there. And then we'll go ahead and get I have just a backtesting folder. I got all types of folders to be honest. I know you do too, dude. I know you do too. We got too many folders up in here. But it's okay. GitHub. Okay, sick. So I'm just gonna take this over here, and I'm also gonna take some of that data here, cause you already know it. I'm a data dog. Oh no, no, we still here. We still here. Okay, so that worked. And then I want to go ahead and take this as well. Whatever is calling. Actually, it doesn't even need to do that. I'm to use a different folder and instance. She don't care. She don't care what you're about to do, dude. Let's get the code up in here. Call this GE backtest.py. Okay. Let's go ahead here and change this over to TFlow. TFlow, always got to be on TFlow, bro. Always got to be on TFlow. Okay, so this should now not work, but maybe. No way was that 20. There's literally zero chance that was 20 minutes. Holy smokes. Okay, so chat, we back. This is all available on the roadmap and resources, but I might need it again. I'm going to go up here and say, hey, let's run this first. See where we get caught up. And the all 1 minute data has, let's go ahead and just not think about this too hard. We don't do that anymore. Add to chat. Please do. Thank you. Thank you for being dedicated, bro. Thank you. Stay locked in. I see you, dog. I see you, bro. Okay. Please. Please. Just start there. I'm gonna start with please. And from there, I'm gonna say please fix the bug. Looks like we actually need to. We may. I'm gonna give her some swings, but I think we need to switch it back, Trader. The error you're encountering is due to a mismatch between the number of columns in your CSV file and the number of column names you're trying to assign. Your CSV file has 130 columns. Specify 130. To fix this, we need to specify all 130 columns if you want to rename them. Select only the columns you need and rename those. I need all of them, cuz. I need all of them. Do you get your data directly from on-chain or API? Both. Both. Both, dude. Gotta stay both. Let's get it. Okay, so you can see if you need to keep all the columns, you can simply load the CSV data without renaming the columns. Come on, dude. What you talking about? That's not it. Okay. This is a trickier thing than I thought about because I forgot there's 130 line columns of data. That's nuts, right? Maybe they do though. We'll see. Maybe they do. Maybe they do. Maybe they don't. I don't know. But I'm here. It's so crazy how you can just do whatever you want in this world. Just keep good energy. Just keep going. Keep energy and keep going. Keep good energy and keep going. Okay, let's delete all of these because we have one that is rolling and that's the only one that we want. Okay. Goodbye. GE results top 500. Yes. We need this copy path. We need the path. We need the path bad. Data path? Okay, we got the data path. But do we have this path? I don't think so. Paste it in here. Okay, now let's go ahead and run it. I don't think this is going to work. I think we're going to have to use Backtrader, but I'm really down to try anything. Always. I'm hungry, B. I'm hungry. Bug. Buggy bug. Bug, bug, bug. This ain't hard, dude. We're clicking buttons. The error you're encountering indicates that there is a mismatch in the number of fields in one of the lines of your CSV. This typically happens when a line in the CSV has more or fewer columns than expected. Here are a few steps. Open this file and inspect lines around line 3 to see if there is a extra comma. Use bad lines though. Use bad lines. Use bad lines. Please use bad lines. Please. Please use bad lines. Please, 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 please use bad lines. Okay, so we don't have a by. Error by. So where is this looking? GE. I just want to see that we're on the right path still. By signal. Okay, 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 that's fine. Where are you getting these signals from, cousin? That's my question. Where are you getting the signals from? In your strategies DF data frame, this could be to a few reasons. All right, this is gonna be very interessante. Let's go ahead and see what she does. I'm just gonna let her drive for a bit. You drive. You drive. Let's see where you get, because I'm thinking a different way. I'm thinking a different way. I'm thinking a different way, but let's see where you get. 3-5. 3-5. 3-5 is here. Skip bad lines. Okay, it's looking at the delimiter. I'm the delimiter eliminator. The delimiter eliminator. Just keep going, dude. Whatever's in your mind's eye, please, please, please. You deserve it. The error message indicates that the backtest class expects the data frame to have specific columns: open, high, low, close, volume, and optionally volume. It looks like your data frame does not have these columns. To resolve this, ensure that your data, I think we need to change to Backtrader, as it's more customizable. Look at my data. Look at my data and look at the sample strategies. The data has 130 columns because these are cross market strategies. Okay, so let's go ahead and give it a couple of these. Yeah. Let's give it a few of them. Yes. Okay. How's that look? Actually, that's not the same one. It's this one. Dang, that could have been bad. That could have been bad. I don't know how bad, but holy smokes, I gave it that one. That was bad over here. Copy path. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put it over here. Sheesh. These are the strats. I used the wrong path. I guess it doesn't matter. I guess it really doesn't matter because I need to do it for both. But whatever. So let's go ahead here, and then what else does she need? I gave her the strats, cross market strategies. Look at my data and look at the sample strategies. Look at the data. Look at the data. Look at the data in its eyes. Look at the data in its eyes and tell me that we can't. And I'll show you how. Let's get it. All right, there we go. Let's see what 3.5. Switching to backtrade if your testing needs is a good choice, especially given the complexity and customization required for your cross-market strategies. Here's a basic outline of how to set up backtrader. Nah, dude. I'll put the full code. I'll put the full code to build out this same exact strategy in this file, but for backtrader instead. I don't know why you would do that. I don't know why, but it's okay. I believe in you, dude. You just as fearless as I am. You might even be more. Come on, dude. I was scared to learn how to code. That's crazy. I can't believe it. I'm embarrassed. I'm embarrassed. I was scared. Oh, little Mooney Pie is so scared to learn how to code. Come on, dude. Somebody else can do it. I can do it better. I know it. I know it. I'm so certain about that. Make sure that this prints out the stats. To print out the statistics of each backtest run in Backtrader, you can modify the code to capture and print the results after each run. Here's how you can do it. Key additions, print final portfolio. Okay, nice. Very good, dude. Very good. You've been so good to me today. 3.5, new 3.5, new 3.5. It's us versus Wall Street, bro. Come on. It is. You know it. You know it. And they're going to tell you you can't. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. Let's just see. You know, is that facts or not? Is that facts or not? Running strategy one that had negative fitness of 57,000. So really, really good fitness. Get lag is not defined. Where in no. Where in my code is get lag defined? Probably in my grammar. Is it this grammar? It is, yeah, for sure. It has to be. Duh, dude. Come on. Now we getting it. Now we getting it. Now we getting it. It has to be in the country grammar. It has to be. In the grammar. In the grammar, dude. It's always gonna be in the grammar. It's not always gonna be in the grammar for sure. This one's in the grammar for sure, dude. So let's say at BTC ROI. Yeah. Okay. And then yeah, let's just ask that. The get lag function is indeed referenced in the grammar. Okay. Okay, perfect. So let's send this grammar. This get lag. Did I put that error in there? Yeah, I did. The get lag is generated from the grammar of my GE I built in a different file. our goal here is to test some of the top strategies that the GE outputted. Here is my grammar, so you can create back testable code. Let's see what you can do. Let's see what you can do, because it's time. We're going deeper and deeper every single second. That's the thing. Every single second, dude. Just keep moving forward. Stay persistent. I know you are. To integrate your grammar and generate to implement integrate your grammar and generated strategies into Backtrader, we need to ensure that all necessary functions and imports are available, specifically the getLag function and any other custom functions or modules referenced in your strategy need to be defined or imported. Here's how you can modify your Backtrader setup to include these elements. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes. Yes, dude. Yes. 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 Dude, this is amazing. Fitness.indicators. Fitness.indicators. So let's go ahead and plop this over here then. What did you importing though? Number indicators, merge P&L. Okay. Fitness.indicators. So let's go up in here. Let's go in here and results, fitness. Fitness indicators. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the whole fitness file in here. I think I can do this, right? Just that. Not gonna take it away. Nah. I think I need to go ahead and put it in this. Revealing Finder here. Let's do that. I know this is gonna work. Add folder to workplace. How about this? I'm gonna make a folder here called fitness. And then I'm just noobing it up over here, and it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, dude. It's okay. Bear with your boy. He'll figure this out as he goes. And I'm just gonna keep going. So thank you for having me. Thank you. Appreciate you allowing me to do this, dude. I really do. Really amazing stuff we got here. We really, 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 really have come a long ways, dude. I'm gonna go watch my old video, like my first video ever. What a noob. What a noob. Evaluating name.price data is not defined. So, okay, that's fine. It's fine with me. Fine with me. I know I'm way further than I was 1 year ago, 1 month ago, 1 day ago. Come on, let's keep going. Yes. I get this error. I get this error. Please have it print out the full error so we can debug better.